Hi guys, welcome to example. In today's class, we are going to solve this problem and we are going to find the value for this. Okay, they have given a hint that is x square minus y square which is equal to 143. So let's begin with the solution. So here is the solution. So just start a question with the hint. Okay, here the hint was given as x square minus y square which is equal to 143. Okay, so this is what they have given. So we know a formula, that is a square minus b square, sorry for inconvenience, a square minus b square which is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So just substitute this formula in the place of x and y. So therefore this becomes x plus y into x minus y which is equal to 14. Okay, first we need to know the multiples of 143. So for that I am going to take LCM. So I am going to take LCM for 143. So this will ends in 3. So it will comes in 3 table or 9 table or 13 table. Or it can also comes in 11 table. So let's start with 11. 1 11 is 11, balance 3. 3 3s are, 11 3s are 33. So 3. So it comes in 13. So the multiples of 143 which is equal to 11 into 30. Okay. So just substitute these two numbers in the place of 143. Therefore this becomes x plus y into x minus y which is equal to 11 into 30. Okay. So we know one thing, that is x plus y is always greater than the x minus y. Is it? Because it has the, if we add two numbers, that will be greater than the if we subtract two numbers. Is it? So note that x plus y is always greater than the x minus y. So based on the rules, here I am going to take x plus y is equal to 13. Because 13 is the biggest number than 11. So here I am taking x plus y is equal to 13. Simultaneously I am taking x minus y is equal to 11. Okay. Now I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. By elimination method. Okay. So by eliminating method, we need to eliminate any one of the variable from this. So here plus, here minus. If we add these two equations, then what will happen? So let's give the name 1 and 2. The first step is I am going to add 1 plus 2. If I add these two, then these two get this get cancelled. Therefore x plus x is 2x which is equal to 13. 13 plus 11 which is equal to 24. Is it? So just write that. So from this I need only x value, that is 24 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 12. So let's highlight this. So here we found x value. Now I am going to substitute x is equal to 12 in equation number 1. You can substitute in equation 2 also. So here I am defaultly selecting equation number 1. Okay. So x plus y which is equal to 13. So we already found x is equal to 12. Just substitute that here. 12 plus y which is equal to 13. And y is equal to 13. If I shift this number towards left hand side, minus 12. So therefore y is equal to 1. So by solving these two equations, we found x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 1. Okay. So now what we need to find in the question? So what they have given? They ask us to find root 2x plus y. So just substitute x and y value in the root 2x plus 1. This is what we need to found. So we need to found that. So we know that x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 1. So just substitute that in the equation. So therefore root of 2x plus 1 which is equal to root of 2 into 12 plus 1. Therefore g is equal to 2 into 12 is 24. 24 plus 1 which is equal to 25. So we know that 5 square is equal to 25. The square and the square would get cancelled, therefore which is equal to 5. Therefore root 2x plus y which is equal to 5. Okay. So by solving this problem by using the hint, we get the answer as 5. Okay. This can also be written as plus or minus 5. So here I am selecting only positive number. Okay. Have a nice day. Practice twice and twice, then you will get the perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.